Everybody talks about Industry 4.0 as a promise of tomorrow. But how do you get from here to there? Where do you start? Zebra's takeaways from the new Gartner report on smart factory innovation support approaching your digital transformation by aligning your technology to outcomes, designing for scalability, and focusing on capabilities. Altogether, it's about building a solid, scalable foundation for your future. To start, you'll need to identify the exact business outcomes you're trying to achieve. Is it tightening your quality control? Maximizing production rates? Greater sustainability? Whichever your desired outcome, the next action is to determine the capabilities and adaptations needed to not only achieve that one function, but also extend and scale the benefits towards your greater operations. There are multiple ways to advance, upgrade, repurpose, and spread digital transformation throughout your processes, but it all starts with a basic foundation of sensing, tracking, and seeing. This empowers operations with a type of data and insights that fuel real long-term transformation. With this foundation, you can match investments to outcomes to maximize ROI and build towards Industry 4.0. To get started, you'll need a powerful ally with a wide-ranging portfolio who understands the landscape, your vision, and how to execute on it. That partner is Zebra. Let us help you map and prioritize incremental steps by matching your goals to our scalable solutions. Whether it's integrating material handling and logistics, helping you optimize operational planning, or strengthening quality control, Zebra's solutions cover it all and are not only quick to deploy and easy to set up, but also highly scalable and interoperable. Let's get you set up for long-term success with small immediate wins now to build towards a smarter plant in the future. Your promise of tomorrow begins today.